Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green amaranth. Prepare by picking a sunny bed and amending soil with compost for drainage. Sow seeds thinly at 1/4 inch depth and water gently. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged and protect young seedlings from strong wind. Thin plants to allow airflow and stronger stems. Watch for pests and harvest tender leaves early for best flavor and texture. Good soil and consistent moisture make the biggest difference for green amaranth. Work compost into the top 6 inches of soil to feed plants and improve drainage. Water deeply 2 times per week, adjusting for rain and heat so roots grow resiliently. Apply a thin mulch layer to keep soil cool and cut back on watering. Avoid overwatering to reduce disease and support vibrant leaf growth throughout the season. Feed amaranth lightly on a regular schedule and scout for pests early to protect tender leaves. Use balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks and supplement with compost tea if growth slows. For pests, try gentle remedies such as neem oil or remove pests by hand to avoid harming beneficial insects. Harvest outer leaves frequently to promote fresh regrowth and pick before flowering for the best flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.